this video, I'm going to show you how rice water is the best way to cure acne, blemishes, and dark skin. Rice water has been used for many years as an effective natural beauty remedy by Asian women. It is good for oily, acne-prone, and dull, mature skin. It has natural oil-absorbing and anti-aging properties. It is also effective at protecting our skin against the harmful UV rays and acts as a good anti-inflammatory agent. Because rice water has all these qualities, it makes it an excellent exfoliant, which helps our skin to look brighter and glowing. It also has a chemical structure which is similar to ceramide, which increases the collagen production to make our skin more healthier. Thus, rice water is one of an effective way to treat acne, blemishes, and dull skin. To try this rice water facial massage to remove pimples, acne, and dark spots, the ingredients you're going to need are 1 tablespoon rice water, ½ teaspoon green tea, 1 tablespoon honey. To make this face massage: 1. Mix all ingredients in a small bowl until you get a smooth paste mixture. 2. Before applying, wash your face thoroughly. 3. Apply the mask by massaging the paste on your face in a circular motion. 4. Leave it to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. 5. Rinse with cold water. This face massage is very effective in lightening dark spots and removing acne scars. As rice water has naturally antiseptic properties, it fights germs and bacteria that causes acne and pimples, whilst honey and green tea contains soothing properties that reduce skin inflammation and dark spots and makes skin spotless. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how rice water is the best way to cure acne, blemishes, and dark skin. If you haven't, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 20 simple ways, life hacks, and tips that will help you fall asleep faster. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.